Welcome back to Fabricating Awesome Stuff. The ailerons on a Sonex have a lead weight attached that is designed to balance the aileron so that it is neutral in flight. After the aileron is painted, it's required that the balance of the aileron be checked to confirm whether or not it's still within the proper spec before flight. So today we're going to be hanging my ailerons and checking the balance on them to make sure that they are within the range for flight. And so you'll see that process shortly. In order to confirm whether or not the aileron is still balanced after painting, the procedure is to suspend the aileron from its hinge pins, and it should hang balanced. So what I did is I suspended the aileron between two sawhorses. I attached a piece of safety wire to the hinge pin and the other end to a screw on the sawhorse on both ends. So there, it's suspended freely there. And the spec says that the aileron should hang with the bottom edge of the aileron either parallel to the floor or trailing edge 1/2 inch up within spec. The bottom surface of the aileron measures 24 7/8 from the floor at the sawhorse area and 25 inches at the trailing edge. So that's less than 1/2 inch up, and so that tells us we're within spec.